Did you know that you can link your social media accounts with HubSpot? This way, you can create new posts, publish them, organize them in an editorial calendar, and track social media interactions.
Superhacks, the HubSpot experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
The following networks are available with HubSpot: Facebook and Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, LinkedIn, and as a Marketing Hub Enterprise user, you also have access to YouTube reports. In this video, you'll learn how to connect social media to HubSpot. Instagram needs a business account linked to Facebook. Let's start with Facebook or Instagram. To connect your Instagram account, you need a business account that's linked to your Facebook business page. As a super admin, you can determine which users and teams can access specific social media accounts. In your overview of HubSpot's products and services, you can see how many social media accounts you can link. In your HubSpot account, you can click on the small gear icon at the top of the main navigation bar to access the settings. In the left sidebar, you can now select Marketing and Social Media to link your accounts. To link your account, you can go to Link Accounts at the top right here. To link your Facebook business page, you first need to authorize yourself with your personal login details so that you can then register the appropriate business page. Your personal data and profiles are not stored on HubSpot. The login is only necessary for authorization since the two accounts are linked. Check the box next to the Facebook and Instagram pages you want to link. Then you can select Connect. Your Facebook business page is now authorized for 90 days before re-authentication is required. Next, you can connect your X account. HubSpot authorizes your social media account based on the account you're logged into in your browser. So, use an incognito or private window if you want to connect multiple X accounts. To connect the account, open the dialog box, select X, fill in your login details, and check the requested permissions. Now you have two options. Create initial reports on published posts from all sources. Here, social media posts that were published both through HubSpot and directly through your social media account are included in your reports. Create reports on posts that are published only through HubSpot. If you select this, only social media posts that were published directly through HubSpot will be considered. To complete the linking, you can now click on Finish. If you want to connect LinkedIn with HubSpot, you need admin role permission. Just like with Facebook, you first need to authorize yourself with your personal login details so that you can then register the appropriate business page. To link the account, select LinkedIn in the dialog box. To analyze your video performance data, you can link your YouTube account with HubSpot as long as it meets the following criteria. First, you are a Marketing Hub Enterprise user. Second, your account must not be set to private. Third, your account is a brand channel. And fourth, your account has uploaded at least one video. You can't post videos through HubSpot, you can only analyze your performance. To link the account, open the dialog box and select YouTube. And that's it. You've successfully connected your social media accounts with HubSpot, and you can now associate your posts with your marketing campaigns and see which customers converted through social media. If you have more questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments or visit our website to schedule a personal conversation.